I'm at the Sidi Bou Said Beach right now. There's really not a lot of people here anymore. It's like sunset time. I probably won't stay until the sun goes completely down because I don't know my way around too well. However, I was kind of looking. There's like a bunch of rocks behind me. There's a more sandy beach over that way. But I'm looking on the rocks to see if I can find any cool ones or if I can see any like life up to where the tide has gone. Found a snail that's alive under this rock here. So it's alive and well. I don't know what kind of snail it is, but look at it. It's so cool. Very cool coating underneath. But I think I disturbed it, so I'm going to push it back to where I found it. Alright, little guy. This one I believe is alive, as it's green on it, and clinging to the side of the rock. I'm not going to disturb this one, but it's honestly not very clean here. There's a lot of trash and stuff, so I'm probably going to pick some of it up and keep looking a little bit, but go back soon. The sunset is absolutely gorgeous too. I just wanted to show you real quick. Okay, I just got done cleaning up a little bit at the beach. I know my impact isn't really that big with just one grocery-sized bag of trash, but a little bit is better than nothing. Now I'm at the harbor, as you can see behind me. It's very pretty, it's very peaceful. The sunset is absolutely gorgeous, if it will show. Yeah. So, sorry, I'm not using my phone right now, not my GoPro. I didn't bring that out with me today. But I think it's about time for me to head back. I don't want to stay out too much longer because it's getting dark, and yeah. But I do need to go get something to eat, so I think I'm going to head back up to Sidi Bou Said for that, because I think I'm still technically in Sidi Bou Said, but not in the main area of it, so I'm going to head back, see if I can find something that sounds good to eat, and that will be the end of my day. The ocean is over there, so I have no idea how this got here. Right now I am by the ocean, the Sidi Bou Said Beach, and there's more people here this time, but I'm cleaning up again. Here's what I found so far, but I'm not done yet. I know me just getting a couple bags isn't going to make much of a difference, but if we look at protecting the environment with a mind of negativity, then we're never going to see any change. So I'll get my couple bags, and that's a little bit less trash in the water. I found a tiny little hermit crab in this tide pool. Very cute. Just living its life. There's a crab. Right? Oh, you can't see it. I promise there's a crab under there. There's a living jellyfish right here. There's actually quite a lot of them over here. It's very cool to see them in real life. I'm very happy about this. They're so cute. It's so cool. Wow. Don't know if you can see all the jellyfish out in the water, just going around, living their lives. This is genuinely so exciting to me. They're just moving so slowly in the waves. They're very cute. I'm always fascinated by jellyfish. There's some that are more purple, some that are more brown. Each one a little. Look at how big. Look at how big this jellyfish is. Absolutely huge. Wait a moment. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to take a day to go around Sidi Bou Said.